Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Febriani Alfito from 11-2. I want to read narrative essay, A Look of Certainty. I still remember when I first joined one of the biggest futsal competition in Indonesia, the Axis Nation Cup. It was an amazing feeling to be able to stand with opponents I had never met before. Our first match was very fast, to dare I produced very high tension. Our opponent was a strong team. The team was a subscription team that was always selected to take part in this Axis Nation Cup competition. But we did not give up. We fought hard even though in the end we lost because the experience was also more than ours as the first team to take part in this tournament. The experience of participating in this futsal competition was very valuable for me because I learned about the importance of hard work, self-confidence, and teamwork. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.